morning. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for Monday, the 4th of December, 2023, 8:10 a.m. Central Time. You know, over the weekend, I'm looking at the Red Sea attacks. I'm sure you were looking at it, several commercial ships, and then the USS Carney, one of our destroyers, supposedly attacked. The problem that's going on, it's starting to show. U.S. Central Command, and if you really look at it, they came out criticizing President Trump. No good. Good morning, all. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for Monday, and we're at the 4th of December, 2023, on a gray, gloomy sky day in Chicago. It's 8:10 a.m. Central Time. The event over the weekend was the attack of three commercial ships and the U.S. destroyer, supposedly. We don't know if the drones that were fired out of Yemen were at the destroyer or not. I have to assume that they were. And what's really going on here is we're acting like wimps. And I think U.S. Central Command called the Biden administration as much. They are wimps. Instead of going right after where the source is of all this, Iran, we keep doing dances. Now, we did today, if you looked, there was an attack in Iraq that took out, as I understand, 5 people there in response to the numerous attacks going on. It's not going to do the job. Iran doesn't want to go to war with the United States. They'd be scared to death and they'd be destroyed. That's not the issue. The issue is this particular administration doesn't know how to have a firm hand. And CENTCOM, U.S. Central Command, said as much, if you really look at what they're saying. So something to pay attention to, and I think that I hate the fact that the U.S. is acting wimpy. I hope you do too, because this has to end. It used to be that no U.S. ship would be attacked anywhere, just our presence was enough. If you think Iran is strong enough to deter that, boy, you've got something mistaken. We have a president that's scared of it. Very big difference. On the energy markets, I'm going to write today some articles about this, showing, I'm debating about what I should show in it, but it's important because, again, you're down because nobody's buying into the fact that what's going to happen with shoring up prices. Again, we saw just recently that OPEC wants voluntary cuts for another X amount of oil. It's not happening. You're well under 78. Now, the Biden administration over the weekend also said that they want to start buying oil for the strategic reserve. Let me explain why the market's not getting a bid. We all know the Biden administration doesn't know what they're doing. Now, you're going to say I'm pro-Trump when I say that. Not true in any manner, okay? I'm anti-Biden. I want somebody that will have a policy that follows through with what they're doing. Could I be any clearer than that? So, no, don't even put that in my vocabulary. It's not what it is. But the reason you don't even get a bid, normally you'd hear, the U.S. is coming in, they're going to start buying at this price, that's a floor. Because they said it before. They didn't do anything. First it was $70 and the market goes to 67. We didn't buy a barrel. Now they're saying it again. The market doesn't buy into it. We're starting to get little corrections happening now also in the stock market. Why? Did I not tell you on December 2nd was the end of the upwave in the S&P, and right behind it this week, in seasonal basis, you follow with the NASDAQ and in the Dow. And all of a sudden, today we're down. I'm not the only one that looks at these things, so that's what's going on. In the metal markets, you got over the $2,100 level. Big numbers attract profit taking. Remember that. 2,100 was a big level. You soared through it to 2,130, and now you're down almost, $80 from that high, very close to it. You're down in all the metals with it. The dollar getting a bid, and most currencies getting hit in the same manner because of that. Interesting day, reversals taking place. Got to be very, very careful with what you're seeing in that. Next. We get U.S. factory orders this morning at 9 o'clock. They're forecasting it down 2.5%. Last month it was up 2.8%. So you pay attention to that. And folks, today is the last day of the Cyber Week sale. It's over today. So if you're looking to take advantage and get one of my charting courses for free, it's right now. You won't see this again this year. So write that off. Don't think it's coming back for Christmas. It isn't, okay? I own the company. It isn't. So if you want to get one of these courses for free, sign up for any of my one-year subscriptions or upgrade a current subscription you have. I've explained that over and over in the different videos for a week now, and I won't have to go through that again. You can go either to the link here, right through there, or go to iraepstein.com. Under the word research, just buy a one-year subscription. We take it the rest of the way. Do me a favor, don't take the original charting course right away. And I worked hard on it over the weekend. I am creating all the new chapters for a brand new charting course for you. My goal is Christmas. I don't know if I'll make it. I might make it. I'll certainly make it sometime in January, but I'm shooting for Christmas. We'll see if I can get that done. If not, what's different? Just a couple weeks. So it's not going to matter. It's yours free anyways. Remember, you can give these away as a gift. So you can buy the course for yourself, buy the research for yourself, give that away, or buy research for somebody else that you want as a gift. You keep the courses. The courses are worth, honestly, as much as the one-year subscription. So you're getting something for free in there, and that's been the goal that I'm trying to accomplish for you. So I think you'll find it well worth your time and effort. I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you at the end of the day with our market wrap-ups. Again, we're in a correction stage. Pay attention. Take care.